Most people think cinematic bokeh is just about blurry backgrounds, but that's not what actually makes the frame pop. This is. If you're shooting with the Sony FX30 and your footage looks good but not cinematic, chances are you're missing this one simple thing: depth. Today I'm going to show you how to use cinematic bokeh and framing to make your shots instantly feel more intentional, more professional, and more cinematic, using nothing more than where you place objects in the frame. No expensive gear tricks, no overcomplicated settings, just smart framing. Most people open their Aperture and hope for the best, and blur alone doesn't create a cinematic image. Depth creates a cinematic image. Look at this. This guitar right here is doing more work than any camera setting, because the moment you introduce a foreground element, the frame becomes three-dimensional. I also have these little candles right up here. So you're no longer watching a subject, you're looking into a scene. Here's something that most people don't realize. Cinematic bokeh doesn't come from opening the lens all the way. It comes from distance. If you'll notice back here, there's lots of depth behind me. The farther your subject is from the background, the more separation you get. And the closer your foreground is to the lens, the more depth you feel. That's why this works so well indoors on the Sony FX30. You're controlling the space, not fighting against it. Now watch what happens when the foreground guitar slightly frames the edge of the shot. This is the difference between a video that feels accidental and one that feels composed. Filmmakers use this technique constantly. They use it on interviews, shot films, YouTube videos, even product shots. The camera hasn't changed, the frame has. Let's keep this simple. First, we have the lens. A wide aperture lens definitely helps. You can go anywhere from f1.4 to f2.8. That's perfect. The focal length, 16mm to 35mm, works great for indoors on the FX30, depending on the size of your space. Longer focal lengths give you stronger separation if you have the space to work with. And what about camera position? Get closer to your subject and pull the background farther away. Push foreground objects closer to the lens than feels normal. That's the formula. This exact setup works even if you replace the guitars with plants, lamps, shelves, or furniture. The principle stays the same. Cinematic bokeh isn't about expensive gear. It's about how you build the frame. If this video helped and you see your Sony FX30 differently, subscribe, and if you find value in this content, check out the links in the description below. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.